Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. From June 25th to 30th, nearly 200 young people from various Salesian presences in the Wroclaw Province PLO took part in the School for Salesian Animators SAS. For 15 years, the school has been preparing young people to take on the role of educators during activities with children in Salesian to oratories. The entire training is divided into 4 levels, and the experience one can gain after such formation deserves great appreciation. After the pandemic, the number of candidates for the first level hit a record 88 this year, divided into 5 groups. The first level includes activities in personal training, media navigation, and leisure activities. These are sports activities, games, and merry evenings. It was a very intense period with as many as 6 hours of classes per day. In addition to the formation of animators, SAS places a strong emphasis on spiritual formation and deepening the relationship with God. The province of Chennai gathered together to celebrate the feast of her patron Saint Thomas the Apostle and the jubilee of the conference. Braving the 3 previous years, 2019 to 2022, of the corona pandemic, the INM hosted the silver, golden and diamond jubilees of profession and ordination of about 78 Salesians, inviting the celebrants to joyfully hymn their gratitude and yet again to avow their unflinching commitment for the years to come. The Eucharist celebration was presided by Most Reverend Chinnappa SDB, Archbishop Emeritus of Madras Mylapore Archdiocese, with the concelebration of all the jubilarians and a good participation of conferers, laity and members of the Salesian family. Ensuing the Eucharist, the fivefold felicitations began sequentially, first with the Diamond Jubilarians up to the Silver Jubilee of ordination and profession. The facilitations by way of the typical shawls and mementos to each of the jubilarians inspired them with individual response of their commitment. The representatives of each batch of the Jubilee affirmed and responded with their ever memorable gratitude for such unique occasion of their life. The fivefold felicitations were interspersed with diversity of the cultural programs. Under the coordination of the Provincial Vicar, Father Elias Roberto, the meeting of Salesians information scheduled in the annual programming of the Campo Grande Province BCG was held last weekend. The meeting began with an intense morning of formation, starting with a lecture on effective maturity by psychologist Alex Bachega. The afternoon of the first day was instead dedicated to the preparation of the provincial formation project, and then continued with a meeting with the BCG Provincial Father Ricardo Carlos and concluded with the Eucharistic celebration he presided. The second part of the meeting was then marked by a day of sharing and preparation for the period of pastoral vacations, to which the Salesians in formation are initiated during the study break. The life of the youth centers and oratories of the Salesian province of Venezuela has been altered in the past years due to the pandemic, as well as that of their animators and recipients. All this has made them adapt to the new needs that have arisen, maintaining their range of activities with online, in-person, semi-in-person, integral and individual accompaniment. The period of July and August is one of the most important times for the young animators of Salesian youth centers and oratories, as they promote together with the Salesians and lay collaborators the educational and evangelizing activities of the vacation time. The precious collection of documents and photographs relating to Father Luis Luigi Bolla and Italian Salesian missionary among the Achuar of Ecuador and Peru, currently preserved in the Salesian Historical Archives of Peru, has won an international competition in favor of its digitization and conservation. In fact, the Iber Archivos program will finance the Salesians of Peru for their project presented and supported by the Salesian Historical Archives of the province. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.